say they care. What do they do to take you from the floor to ensure you are on top? Even when you are not able to be on top, who is the close friend you have who say, I hate seeing you at the bottom, I want to see you on top? That's the new friend you need. Can somebody say hallelujah? I'm going to believe God that you shall have many enemies at the end of this Congress, because some of your friends are not your friends. You don't need them. You need a new friend. You need friends of those who cannot block your way but make effort to clear your way.
My people, I have a question. I need an answer. Oh, Chimeo. Why be say people where we fought to do us wayo? Them do us ojoro. Them they do mago. They don't turn our country to political zulezu. I mean my country to political zulezu. Everything they promise you in terms of election, but if I am the president, my brother, I say if I am the president, enough is enough, oh my people. Every day na the same story. We don't suffer, we don't suffer tire, oh. Ifenka akalia malo. Charity them say it begins at home, but our own charity they far abroad, oh. No good road, oh. No steady light, oh. No good water, oh. Social amenities is zero. Obuno pisia marabu kamjo. Obuna kubadi ronko. Them they call us the giant of Africa, but we are living like slaves. Oh, are we born to suffer? No. Are we born to suffer? No. Stand up for your right, yo. Stand up for your right, yo. If I am the president, yo. If I am the president, yo. You did 70 years, you still there for office, yo. Organa for waiting. What of our young graduates, yo? Organ landlord, no be to increase house rent. Go renovate your house, yo. It dey leak water, no be to give tenants quick notice. He said them never pay for house where they leak water. Chai, there is God, oh. Organ lecturer, that child you want spoil. Say you want give am now your daughter age, yo. You want carry on German juice, pour for her body, oh. Oh, there is God, oh. Officer in charge, you go see white, yo. You go call am black, yo. But you know the truth, oh. Police alekwani, yo. Chukwu kike, we there for your hand, yo. Yanyela nyaka. But if I am the president, yo. If I am the president, yo. This country now you and me, yo. Now we get make you do your own part, make I do my own part, yo. Obodo mama, obodo jonjo. to political zulesi. Do your own, make I do my own. Do your own, make I do my own. We go better. Papa, mama, make una do una own. We go better. Brother, sister, make you do your own. We go better. If I am the president, if I got the anima, if I am the president, if I am the president, if I am the president, if I am the anima, Obodoya malanima,
Who is your teammate? How much do they care when they say they care? What do they do to take you from the floor to ensure you are on top? Even when you are not able to be on top, who is the close friend you have who say, I hate seeing you at the bottom, I want to see you on top? That's the new friend you need. Can somebody say hallelujah? I'm going to believe God that you shall have many enemies at the end of this Congress, because some of your friends are not your friends. You don't need them. You need a new friend. You need friends of those who cannot block your way but make effort to clear your way.
You heard that? Those are the kind of friend you need. You know what I'm saying? So, brothers and sisters, I need you all to go ahead and share the word of freedom. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and share the word of freedom.
Madam Christy E. Onokwasa, Managing Director, Madam Misty.
Wow. Yes, I'm really sorry about this. You know what I'm saying? The network was really bad, and then my YouTube was malfunctioning. I don't think it's the network, but I just want to say it that way. So we went ahead and fixed it. So I need you all to share this video, okay? So, you know, Ajetu Kabiru father is a native doctor, a strong native doctor. So he's doing whatever he can to prevent whatever I'm going to do today. But however, we're going to expose them. So I need you all to go ahead and share the word of freedom while I am doing mine today. I'm sorry, I just get up from work. I have not even taken a bath. I rushed over here because of what I care about. You know, I need money. I got to work. So that is one thing. I need every brothers and sisters to go ahead and help me share the word of freedom. I am begging you. Because what is happening in Edo State right now is an example of what is about to happen in Nigeria. You know what I'm saying? So there's nothing we can do about it. So let me go ahead and share. While you are doing that, I'll be doing mine as well. Thank you. Go ahead and share the word of freedom.
I don't know you, but I didn't see your walk, oh, it is with me. It don't take when we suffer, we don't offend them. We go to school, we don't graduate too, but there is no job. We try Bolivia to cross the sea, now they return us. They start to talk about environment for so long. Selfishness and greediness, now they kill our economy. I got tired of our government. Tell me why they call the lie about empowerment. So I don't reach to tell them. May they stop all their goodness. As you see me, so I know they fear them. Because this is what they do when you see them. Hey, come with them and on me go. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender until we obey. For me, they walk my body chopper. There is no trace. They know they trust the way to migrate, but it's too late. Come with them and on me go. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender until we obey. For me, they walk my body chopper. There is no trace. They know they trust the way to migrate, but they must achieve. Make we follow join the movement of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Make we follow join the movement of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Why you say if election time go reach to campaign, they go turn beggars. When we don't vote for them, they don't sit down for seats. All of them, they go come do that. If you ask me what the man go do, if you let's say I get some stuff for youth, there is a lot for us to do. Before they go turn us to Mumu, go to west, oh yeah, go to east. People they die for hunger because no food to eat. No better run, on no lights. See us with
There's something I want to quickly describe for people. YouTube, go ahead and share this video. I need everyone to listen to this word of God. Then I will tell you why I am doing this. Your best friend could be your weapon. You know what I'm saying? So listen to it.
Who is your teammate? How do they care when they say they care? What do they do to take you from the floor to ensure you are on top?
This is my teammate.
Even when you are not able to be on top,
see, this
who is the close friend you have
this is your
who say, I hate seeing you at the bottom. I want to see you on top. That's the new friend you need. Can somebody say hallelujah?
This is your close friend.
I'm going to believe God that
who
you shall
can
have
trust,
many
not Nigerian
enemies
political
at
cabal.
the end of this Congress,
Not
because
Osomole.
some of your friends
Not
are
Abetu
not your
Kabir.
friends. You don't need them.
This is your close friend.
You need a new friend.
That's right.
You need friends of those who cannot block your way but make effort to clear your way.
That's right. You heard that? That is your close friend. You know what I'm saying? Let your weapon, you control it. Be your close friend. Your weapon, like PFM, is curse. The weapon we have is curse. We rain curse on you. Do not let anyone take your power. This is my power. As I'm sitting here right now, how many people can tell what I have? You might have heard it from Musaudion Osage people. The bush rat. He said, I always carry bag along. People think there's a weapon on it. And I want to reveal the secret today. Are you ready? Do you want to see the secret? Yeah, I reveal it for you. I reveal it for you. Here is it. This is one weapon right here. That is true. This is one. You see it? That's true. The bag I carry along, there's a weapon. You see it? Look at it. There's a weapon, 9mm. Okay? So, that's it. That's true. That's true. When I carry it along, I protect myself. I have every right to protect myself. Your weapon should be your mouth. Your weapon, you should be your... The only thing you have in this life is to be honest. When you are honest to yourself, you become more powerful. When you are honest to your loved one, you become unbeatable. That is the problem Edo people are having with me today. Because I am honest, they don't know how to handle me. They don't know what to do. I am unstoppable. When they think it's about to get to the end, they see surprises. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, that is one thing. My best friend is my weapons. That is my best friend now. Now, let me tell you. Organization can fail you. Anybody can fail you. You see this weapon right here? He will never fail you. You see? You see this? This will never fail you. This is made in America. This is not Oka made. He will never fail you. Political leader, political cabal, political terrorists in Nigeria, political looters, criminals, they have already paid Tony Kabaka to assassinate me. So Tony Kabaka have tried to assassinate me. He failed. I have to protect myself. So whoever is ready to insult me, to enter the ring, be ready that death will be on your head as well. You will be subject to die anytime. So listen, I am not all those shows that just come and come. I am anti-corruption activist who the political Nigerian leader have put debt on his head. I'm carrying it along anywhere I go. So whenever you call it an amigo, be prepared to die. Go and tell anybody. Be prepared to die. Because I'm going to defend myself with whatever I have. The law enforcement agency have advised me, you have every right to defend yourself. If you feel threatened, open fire. Kill that motherfucker. So, you that is been threatening me, be ready. Whenever I find you, or whenever you come close to me, I will open it on you. I will not hesitate to lay you down. Be prepared. This is not a game. This is a serious business. Life and death matter. My family life is on the line. My mother life is on the line. All my children are suffering because I'm fighting corruption. Do you think American government is giving me paycheck? No, they don't give me money. They don't. Do you know how many times I called the FBI? They are even running from my phone. Because they don't have enough evidence to do anything. Interpol, they don't have enough evidence. They are still monitoring Tony Kabaka Adu, the greatest terrorist of all time. So if you are an Edo man, you are an Edo woman. The only problem I have is Edo people, the bad one. Those are the problem I have. If you are an Edo man, you are an Edo woman, you want to enter into the arena, know that this is not joke. This is not mega company, not social media joke at all. It's not to get viewer. It cannot really more. If I get one, if I get okpak bokpa whoever. Amana mine o iwi lewe na. Man wa yena ikore wa tawe social media na. Amana mi okpa yu khiyo ni. Wa ruwe nwa wa rock wa remi lawa. Wa remi lawa. Ven wa ye o yasi te yasi o yame. Evan enough for you people to even try to include my name. After you people have tried to use Tony Kabaka to assassinate me, you people fail. Then when they I don't want to even say it. When Satan, when the curse of Oba Palace reigned on them, they were misbehaving on social media. You people decided to put my name on it. There's no problem. There's no problem. Cannot work, cannot wo. Obey of your king. You know what I'm saying? Huh? Cannot work, cannot wo. Obey of your king. So I want everyone to share this video. To let social media, all these Edo corrupt leaders, corrupt boys, even now they are on social media, all they are doing is stealing. They are all stealing. Most all of them, 90% of them, they are stealing. Oji, Yanki. Ojoba, Ojebu, Yanki. They are stealing. So some are even running to even say they are social media. That one is just trying to run away from it. And it's not a social media blogger. Oh, you are not even a blogger. You are a thief. Are you collecting money on social media? Yes. You are a thief and your wife is in a welfare house in Canada. Or to So, you know what? What you people try to do to me is what they do to Amuna Taba in Benin. Benin people, what some of you try to do. Thank God, our father, Oba Atokbe, Ewa Rugirigan, Wa Atove Ekete Nuye Baba. Thank God, the chiefs, they were able to know a good song. And I want to thank our brother, who is from the royal family, who were able, who called at the right time, to able to differentiate the bad Edo people, the evil Edo people, and the good Edo people, who were able to remove my name from that bad list. That was Arajo Osage people. This is exactly what they do to Amuna Taba. For those that don't understand Benin language, please bear with me. I need to arrange myself now. Please. Damn. You are so honey. I swear with Donnie. Nonsense. You want to so me I want to quickly let a lot of people understand one thing, that when you continue to lie and to smear people online, it will get to a point like Mega Comrade, who Edo State Governor have declared, sent Tori Kabaka Adu, declared to assassinate me. I have every right to defend myself. And God Save Foundation, now later turned to Satan Save Foundation, owned by Osaradion Osagie and his mother, Patience, continue to humble this terrorist foundation who have unleashed on social media everywhere, physically, spiritually. They unleash on People Freedom Movement, all because we are fighting corruption. The United States FBI can testify by that. You can go to European Union, they can testify by that. Go to Italian Parliament, they will tell you. Go to EU Parliament, they will tell you. Go to British Prime Minister office, they will tell you. Go to all Nigerian embassies across the world, type in People Freedom Movement, they will tell you what we have done. But this so-called Satan Sent Foundation, formerly known as God Sent Foundation, have continued to use innocent children to extort money. He fly everywhere in the world. It's time for FBI to call on him to come and explain how he's able to fly from Nigeria to Canada, from Canada to US, from US to Canada less than 2 months. He has flown almost the whole entire world. Even a multi-billionaire, Bill Gates, George Soros, cannot use money the way Osarodion Osage is using money. I wonder, I wonder where he's getting the money from. I wonder, and yet he continued to engineer bush rat, so-called bush lion, that call himself bush lion, bush rat, bush punk, who is hiding behind mask to be bringing out innocent people pictures. How will you people feel when we start bringing out all God Sent Foundation pictures? Osage started it now. When BFM start, you people will be diaspora watchdog. That one will come out. That one is a terrorist watchdog, and they have continued. It's a very, listen, that guy, he called me when I was in Europe. I thought he was a better man. I gave him chances upon chances to correct his mistake. But he had, just like the other one in Germany, who said, I did not allow Curtis Egosa Ugbo to come to AAC. I am still waiting for him. For them to correct it. If they refuse to correct it by next week, I will continue to raise calamity on them. Cause on them. That is my weapon. To raise cause on my enemy. The Bible said, I will curse those that curse my children, and I will bless those that bless my children. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Sarajo, Sage, oh, Mila, Abetu, Kabiru. Look at Oyetikpo. Look at Apostle Suleiman. These are the people Sarajo Sage is giving award. He used women money. He used human trafficker, prostitute that in a rage on himself. Osajon Sage even have women. He should come and swear if he's not eating women money. Tell you to come and swear. So, that being said, this is the preamble of what Osajon Osage is going to receive if he did not stop this terrorist organization is doing. Every day we'll be receiving it. As soon as I get off from work, Osajon Osage have nothing to show the FBI where he have worked for 2, 3 years, 4 years. Amen. He have no paycheck. His name has not even entered payroll. Lazy youth, criminal, going around the whole in Europe. This is the same way Osadio Sage built a terrorist entity in Benin. Whenever he's going, you see boys following him like he's a king. Putting that you so-called they call Winifred. Fake Christians. How can you be a Christian and be scamming the entire Canadian government? Immigration fraud. If we cannot stop him now, he will become Oshomole, another Oshomole. He will become another Buhari. He will become another Tony Kabaka. He will become another. See, that is his work. So, that being said, as we all Nigeria understand, please, brothers and sisters, whenever you lay your hand on this video, if you like it, you share it. If you don't like it, don't share. I have done it all. My grandmother is 108 years now. My grandmother is almost dying. I cannot see my grandmother due to the fact that Osarodion Osage contributed to it. The main reason, if not Osarodion Osage and Captain Wonsa problem, Tony Kabaka wouldn't have come out. He wouldn't have even listened. It's because even Captain Wonsa took people. What Captain Wonsa told somebody, I'm not going to say it here. Because of the letter, Osarodion Osage used our Oba Palace logo with Curtis Egosa Ugbo, two of them. They used Oba Palace name to write a letter to scam Captain Wonsa. That is what led Captain Wonsa now went to the palace. Baba, what did I do? These people came, they demand for money, they demand for this. Then our father said, I didn't send them. Osadion Sage have been disrespecting our palace from day one. A man who has the urge of money, who use Omonobal Nedoko Akbolokpolo Baiwari logo to demand money from Captain Osa. He even sent a proposal. That proposal Osadion Sage sent to Captain Osa. Captain Osa, we are still looking at it. He told somebody. Captain Osa was about to call him. The proposal did not even belong to Osadion Sage because of Ojoba, because he's a criminal, impatient. He rushed to judgment. And he was not telling me, hey, pa, daddy. He was calling me daddy then. Hey, pa, Baba. I even told him, don't call me that. Hey, if they want to kill me. He even wrote an open apology letter to Captain Osa, just like he did to his wife after he used knife pursuing his wife. His fake wife. Fake wife. Fake. RG wife. Karowat wife. Karowat wife. It's Karowat. It's Karowat. Completely Karowat. Karowat. Then here you are sending your bush rat to be bringing a PFM member picture. Osadion wife and Osadion, they are encouraging. They are not telling them, oh, what you are doing now is bad. Let them come publicly and denounce it and condemn it. They didn't do it. They are happy. You think you're going to hide your head? A picture, a member of Violadian is waiting. When we picture of Haweladian, Yamweladian next week. No, I have bleach Yariakbera. I'm going to say, as she take bleach all her entire body. Hand the yellow. Inside body, a black. Back, a black. Your face, the white. Karowat Winifred. Osadion Osage. Karowat. Karowat, and you send your bush yeye pig to be calling Ambassador Blessing Karowat. When you know your wife is the architect of Karowat. Charlie boy. I say Charlie boy, Mumu don't do God bless you. Charlie, the Limit nightclub. In yellow. The greatest 4 time. Asabo. In yellow. Edo people continue continue to support him, knowing fully well. I will give you the reason why this matter is going there. Knowing fully well Osajo Osage is an evil. Osajo Osage is a criminal. Osajo Osage is Orionba, number one Orionba. A man who have the audacity to use a Omonoba logo. Asoba logo now. Omaefo. Asobaro egbene. Then you will be telling your bush goat, what's it? More than bush goat. Make the attack them. So Osajo Osage not talk. Hide yourself. Me, now me you want play. Now me you want play. Now me you want play. Where no me maybe Canada. How am I going to Hakatama. Why we go on here? You know what I'm saying? White wife. That is this way. Let's see, gradually, thief will start gradually. Before you know it, you cannot stop it no more. There's very soon we start church. The other day he said he want to be a millionaire. God Send Foundation want to be a millionaire. Oh, if money dey transformer, Osarajo Osage, the owner of God Send Foundation, now Satan Send Foundation, he will use his own figure, even his own wife, Winifred Karowat. That Winifred will be speaking. Are you paying? Or you are going oh, Toba, oh, devil. Can you imagine? That is why Osajo Osage, after he told me what everybody are in Benin, Osajo Osage continued to sponsor them. At a time, Osajo Osage even said they want to donate for Obaseki. Osajo Osage were looking for 1 billion that he will give Obaseki. Without not even knowing. Say Obaseki is doing a good job. Obaseki is our governor. Obaseki have agreed that he's not doing anything. Why are you claiming Kerena? Obaseki have agreed. Those Edo people that the same way they support us again, that is the same way they were supporting Obaseki. Before I even start, I will call someone in Benin. Right now, I hope he's not sleeping yet. You will hear from the horse's mouth. He's been calling me all day. He's died. These are the patriotic Edo people who want the betterment of Edo. May not go back to Edo. Wana onu waria ria meniwa. No muria mu waria wana onu ria meniwa. Boha bera yuwa. Ugwaba wana yuwa. Oguni muhiana ogbuwa. Nobody fit talk to Tony Kabaka. When Tony Kabaka said he want to kill me. Nobody. Can you imagine? You know what I'm saying? So, that is how Nigeria become nonsense country today. Useless country, Nigeria. If Edo State become its own state, it will be better that we can revive Edo State, if not this death. That is the preamble of what is about to happen. Let me go straight to the point. Adam Aliu Oshobule declared APC national chairman have declared open war on Governor Godwin Obaseki and Edo State House of Assembly Speaker Kabiru Ajoto, Kabiru Ajoto, and Bishop David Oyedepo, who betrayed the innocent poor citizen. Bishop David Oyedepo, you remember a couple of months ago, or a couple of weeks ago, I met one of my friends who happens to be an Hausa man, a Fulani man, who told me that when he was in the living room with Atiku Abubakar many years ago, 20 years ago, Atiku Abubakar himself, they were sitting down with former EFCC chairman, director, father, and with the northern leader. They were discussing how they're going to survive the vote of the Southerners. Atiku Abubakar now stood up, now said, I quote, the Southerners is not the problem. The Southerners can sell their soul for money. The Northerners is our problem. How are we going to unite the Northerners? That is what Atiku Abubakar said many years ago. And he continued to repeat it in a secret forum. Atiku Abubakar, PDP presidential candidate. Atiku Abubakar said, I quote, we are not worrying about the North. The North unite. They don't take money. They vote their heart. They vote their soul. But the Southerners, southeast, southwest, south, they sell their soul for money. All you have to do, give them a little bit of money, they will kill themselves for you. I said this before Atiku Abubakar get a ticket. I said it before they do PDP convention. Go and watch my video. I prophesied this and I told you I have someone who know Atiku Abubakar very well. Edo people continue to, some of Edo people, not all of them. When I'm talking to the bad Edo people. The evildoers, they continue to insult themselves. They did not see the good I'm doing for them. Now, who was the number one casualty in 2018? No other than anti-Boko Haram Fulani herdsmen. No other than Bishop David Oyedepo, who sold his soul for $10 million. Imagine, another Yoruba. David Oyedepo is a disgrace to the Yoruba land. David Oyedepo need to call and apologize to all the innocent poor citizens, including me, who is supporting him. I'll be calling on people to go and be servicing, to be going to Winner Chapel. I bought a chair for David Oyedepo church. If David Oyedepo is corrupt, David Oyedepo sell all the innocent poor citizens, where is Nigeria going? He sold the whole southwest or south, whatever, Southerners, for Fulani herdsmen. How can David Oyedepo defend this? How can you claim Fulani herdsmen are killing us? That we don't want Fulani colony. David Oyedepo said they don't want Fulani colony. And yet, David Oyedepo turned around and collected $10 million just to settle for a case settlement, just to settle Atiku Abubakar and the father of all crocodile, General Olusegun Obasanjo, former head of state and former president of Federal Republic of Nigeria. He sold his soul and he sold his own brother, not knowing that Oyedepo have collected $10 million from Atiku Abubakar. You cannot see why I said your best friend should be your weapon. Your number one weapon is your mouth. There's no church in Nigeria. I told you God have left Nigeria a long time ago. I told you $10 million. The money David Oyedepo collected from Atiku Abubakar, Sowore only need 2 million. 2 million out of that money. After all the fight that I fought, everything I did, thinking David Oyedepo was a co-comrade, really fighting for the poor, he turned around. Since I heard this story, I pick up a calculator. I calculate how many money they have offered me. Total was 91 million. Then I asked myself, there was a gentleman that called me many months ago. He said, Maker Comrade, is these people what you fighting for? I said, yes. He said, they don't. Watch, very soon they're going to be on you. A lot of time my mind think, why did I do this for these people that don't value what I did? When I should have just make myself rich and forget about these rubbish people who don't know what the word of Mega Comrade. You will still remain in your poverty. I would have been a multi-millionaire by now. But yet, I decided to suffer and struggle with you, thinking that tomorrow will be a better day for us. And you people turn around and bite those that fought for you. How would God forgive you people? You know yourself. You know what I'm saying? You know yourself. You know what I'm saying? You know yourself. You know? These people, they are not only animal, they are ungrateful people. That being said, David Oyedepo should return that money back to Atiku Abubakar. Because if we ask him to send that money to charity, David Oyedepo is already corrupt. He will send that money to his family charity or his friend charity. David Oyedepo should return that money. I still respect him. I will not insult him yet. I will not insult him yet. But I have to be honest. Okay, goodbye. Block me, please. Fed up today is gone. God bless you. Go and join Atiku Abubakar. Na. Hey, goodbye. That is your death sentence. Tomorrow, go on another platform and insult your father and your mother. If you insult me, your first child will die. And if you go another way and lie on me, your first child, any children you have will die. You will know the pain, what I'm going through. Idiot. Fake people. Somebody come want to remove you people from poverty. Want to remove you people from agony. From corruption, genocide. You people say you don't want him. It's Atiku Abubakar and Buhari you people want. Bad-headed people. How would God answer? If you like, go and sleep in the church for 10 years. Forget, there's no God in Nigeria. Not until you people vote for the youth. God will not return. Nametoka. He's gone. Don't worry about him. So let's go to the story. Whoa. Adam Aliyu declared war on Governor Godwin Obaseki in Obaseki and Edo State Speaker Kabiru Ajotu and the entire APC who refused to impeach Governor Godwin Obaseki. PDP Atiku Abubakar exposed Bishop David Oyedepo $10 million illegal bribe for him to settle him with the father of all crocodiles, General Olusegun Obasanjo. Many years ago, Atiku Abubakar said that Satanas will sell their soul for money. And once again, Bishop David Oyedepo proved Atiku Abubakar right by selling his soul for $10 million. Honorable Alhaji Kabiru, Honorable Alhaji Kabiru Ajoto, Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, failed to deliver for APC National Chairman Adam Aliyu Oshomole, and Oshomole denied him Federal House of Representatives ticket primary because he said if you did not pass primary 1, you cannot pass primary 2. Instead, that ticket was given to someone else, and I'm coming to that. APC Chairman Adam Aliyu Oshomole also promised former Deputy Governor Odubu governorship ticket come 2020 I promise to destroy and dismantle Governor Godwin Obaseki in Edo State. That is a fact. All are facts. So that being said, let me tell you why Governor Godwin Obaseki is about to enter coma. Oshomole have promised to put him in coma. Buhari is the only lifeline standing right now for them. Okay. Information. The mega comrade. These are the real information. Now, he promised Odubu in my presence. Odubu, nothing will stop you from being a APC ticket holder in 2020. My mega comrade, the helper and the king of the poor. We will do whatever it takes to support you. Oh. We are just doing this because we don't have money. We need to take care of our children. We hate these people. Wow. 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 I have also, look at the other one. I have also, all politicians, but all, they get it fake promise. They get Oshomole fake promise. Sir, I am about to push out. Oh, okay, this is a personal message. I did not read that. I'm just, you are lucky I didn't read this to the public. Okay, let me read the other one. Oh my God. We cannot use darkness to fight darkness. I expect the greatness, prosperity, and progress. PDP and APC have constantly looted what the Nigerian generation should have used to survive. They have left us to choose Tokumbo cars, Tokumbo shoes, Tokumbo bags, Tokumbo phone, use phones. Why should we still vote and support them? Why? Why? When will your children, listen, hold on, let me read this. Why do we continue to support them after they have destroyed us? Now we are using used vehicle, used shoes, used shirt, and Tokumbo things in Nigeria. Is there no alternative? What happened to Comrade Omoyele Sowore? Why can't this youth vote Comrade Omoyele Sowore? When will your children become honorable in Nigeria? That is true. Wow. When you castigate young aspirants that do nothing, that do not have money, that do not ring election, I pledge with you all to stand out and separate yourself from all this looter. Okay, he's telling them. He said, like Atiku Abubakar, a laughless nepotist, Buhari, choose men of the people. The fearless youth and ever consistent is no other than Omoyele Sowore. I'm reading what somebody said though. Omoyele Sowore. Okay. That is it. AAC is an alternative. There's no reason why the youth will tell us they don't have alternative between PDP and APC. $38 billion, which Adam Aliu Oshomole collected from World Bank, have created big problem in Edo State. How can you expect APC national chairman, who have completely decimated Edo State, are fit for Edo people? A lot of them are fools. They can be played around like a tissue paper. A lot of them who do not know the fact before they start fighting. My mega comrade, may you live long. May God Almighty continue to bless you. What you have done for Edo State, we the debtors, we wish we have someone like you. At least, if not for nothing, Tony Kabaka is not asking for Gary and Granite. We wish a man can rise up in Delta State who will be able to push all these political criminals, political terrorists out for them to be asking for Gary and Peanut and Granite. Long live Mega Comrade. May your day be long. Don't worry about all these people. God will reward you. Amen. Thank you. That is messages that came. That being said, let me explain to you people what happened in Benin. Benin, Edo State is finished. Even the next governor in 2020, it will take by the grace of God. We shall know that it's not Odubu. Odubu cannot even win his own village. Odubu cannot win his own village. Odubu is from my local government. I will be so happy. Now they have done it to Orion. Odubu will be PDP APC candidate. Pastor Sage Zeyamu will be PDP candidate. I will be AAC candidate. Okay. So all three is from Orion local government. Have your go you talk. Now your body boy. We will not see. We will not see who will emerge the winner of Edo State 2020 gubernatorial election. Free and fair. We will see. It's already in the map. Now they are pushing to Orion. Good. Good. Very good. Odubu, APC. Pastor Sage Zeyamu, PDP. Mega Comrade, AAC. Action. We will see. We will see. So you can see Edo people, those that even Osadon Sage that is fighting for governor. You can see that. Look at your life now. Look at it. We are not even started. They already enraged. These are the same people you are supporting. You refuse to support Omoyele Sowore. Tomorrow now, you want to come and reap the fruit of another man labor. Look at your life. And we are lagotao. We are the yeki. Waru we not say we. Come if you beg your erima derio. If you beg your gua, where tawe ni gema bege chief ni amono yamabege minu. Uwe waiting arrow. If you do mago yamagwa tony. Menogwa badole do yi. Velu we ke you ga we no kan ria edo wa yerima bo. Eni ge waya. Then let me quickly go back to this. And I'm going to make this call right now to this guy in Benin City. Like I stated yesterday, I have to be honest. These politicians will use these people. They will dump them like a sack of potato. They don't care about them. They don't give them nothing. Nothing. I got another message. He said, Epa, Lato say, I'd like you to work with this guy in Hungary. What is it? If this guy listen to his, I don't want to listen to this guy message. What is his name? Frederick Odirin, whatever his name. No, people should not share this thing for me. What is it? This is a guy who, when you came out with video, I was happy in sharing it. But he went to some certain place and said the youth is not going anywhere. He was attacking the youth. He was attacked. Frederick, whatever they call him, said he's the president of a Nigeria Association in Hungary. Hungary that could not even fight for passport booklet for people in Europe. He was attacking the youth. Who was the youth he was attacking? Sowore. Indirectly. Now, after he thought his people that is supporting in PDP, they were going to get ticket. Now they gave it to Atiku. He has nowhere to run to. Now he want to scam you people. And come out and say, now we have decided to. So who are you? Who are you? If you are waiting to try to insult Sowore for Sowore to call you, he's not going to call you. I didn't wait for him to call me. He's not going to call you. Because most of you are opportunists. You want others to suffer. Then later, Later, you will just come and reap all that benefit. Why have you not supported him since? Why? That is the question. As much as I like that guy, he went and started attacking the youth. Said the youth are not ready. Somebody should send me that video. You know? So whoever send me this, don't send me any message of him again. I beg. I'm begging you. Hey, did you not see when I was going to EU Parliament? Did you not hear when I was said I was going to British Prime Minister? At the end of the day, he called for the whole world to join. Is it not 5 people that were there in that protest in EU Parliament? 5. It's not even up to 10. Because Nigerians, they are not ready to come out. When I see people like that, I would have loved to work with him. I would have loved for him and us to come together and do it. But they just want to, everybody's fighting for leadership. That is the problem. It's the problem. What is holding him not to support Omoyele Sowore since? Abi, you want to come and be a Kora. You know what I mean when I say a Kora? A Kora, you want to come? People that will be saying, take it back. Take it, all those children in Ajegule. All those children in Ondo. All those children in Abuja that will be shouting, take it back for more than 4 or 5 months. You just want to come with Big Mike. Oh, show free. Oh, show free. Oh, show free. Go and vote for Sowore. Tell them to support Sowore. If you have no personal interest, stay in your house. Tell people to support Sowore. Enough of all this propaganda. Is this how you want to make name? We don't want grammar. Grammar. Are they forbid grammar? Are they forbidden? We don't want grammar. Grammar have not take anybody to nowhere. If grammar can make you to become somebody, Patrick Obayakmona would have been the president of Nigeria today. Upon all the grammar he spoke. Is he in the House of Assembly? Is he not the same Oshomole that quenching? Let me call this call in Benin. Let me call him. Let him explain to you people what actually happened. That is the fact. Osadun Osage supporter were still calling me today. He said it's his Osadun Osage cousin. As of 8 a.m. this morning. What? Have you ever seen my people call Osadun Osage? No. They don't. Because I told them nobody should call him. Nobody should worry him. Food is ready, people. Don't mind them. Hungary. He should go and he should be clean. I will work with anybody. But don't come with just like one other guy now is working for Atiku Abubakar. He thought he's coming to AAC to come and loot. When he come to AAC, he didn't see money. Now he just turn around, make a U-turn. He's now working for Atiku Abubakar. Can you imagine that? A youth. Oh, come on. I would rather remain poor than to leave Sowore and go and work for another person. I will do whatever I can. That is my heart. My heart is clean. That is the fact. So, brothers and sisters, bear with me. Let me make this call. I'm not going to be long. I know it's late over there. Why is this guy? His phone is always... Give me 1 second, please. Let me quickly call him. Let me tell you what is going on. Edo State is finished. Something that I want to talk about is not today. That one will be Friday. On Friday, everything. I just get off from work. Okay, very good. Obiane. Huh? It's not answering phone again. You see? You see? It's not answering phone again. Okay. That's it. There's no call for him. Let me go ahead and tell you. Okay, this is the story. Oshomole impeached the former Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly. Because when Oshomole found out, when Oshomole was going to leave the government mansion, he was looking for who he trusts. Oshomole did not trust Odubu. He thought Odubu, because when Oshomole was in America, he said he dreamed that Odubu poisoned him, according to the information. That Odubu have done voodoo medicine to remove him so that he will die. So Abetu Ajetu, the Speaker of the House father, now started standing for Oshomole. So from that moment, when he got home, for some reason, he saw something that he actually dreamed about in Odubu. He started calling Odubu Overe, Obu. So from there, Oshomole did not trust Odubu no more. As he embezzled all the old money, he was about to leave. Oshomole did not trust Odubu. He was afraid that Odubu can turn around and put him in a big problem. So there is no other trust person than someone who helped design how he steal. So he thought that whenever he go down, Obaseki will go down as well with him. But little did he know that Obaseki is a snake who did not like anybody from Edo State. He did not know that. So, to shorten the whole story, he brought Obaseki. Obaseki brought Dangote. Captain Onsa ni Waruson Onogbedo. Captain Onsa Okumbo, they all now come together. They found one way or the other. They planned a strategy to bring Obaseki in against Pastor Osage Izeyamu. We all know Osage Izeyamu is not perfect, but we will try to choose the good one among the two bad ones. So Osage Izeyamu was a little bit better than Obaseki, but we know he was this SSG to Lucky Igbinedion when Lucky did nothing in Edo State. So both of the same feather flows together. There is no way Osage Izeyamu will smell the government mansion again. It's over. Except he want to be SSG to Mega Comrade, I'll be willing to put him there. So you should just forget about that. And there's no way Odubu now is only one fight. No problem. Where did they keep poor man? Now see me key. I'm here already. So to shorten the whole story, Oshomole now went ahead and gave the ticket to Obaseki, with the agreement that if Obaseki become a governor, within 2 years, Obaseki will be impeached. So, as Obaseki become the governor, the Speaker of the House were not ready to impeach Obaseki. Oshomole was on fire. He need money. He need more money to finish his company that is building in Cape Verde. Oshomole's wife is a contract marriage. Why haven't he have a child for Oshomole? Do you think Oshomole will love to spend billions of dollars in Cape Verde Island without having a baby? No. The guy refused. According to the information I heard yesterday, Oshomole's wife is not even no longer sleeping with Oshomole. Oshomole's wife have refused sleeping with Oshomole. Oshomole is just going out there because he don't want to derail APC, because you know when PDP or AAC coming, if AAC coming will be better for him, I can be able to negotiate for him to return the money. Showore will not put him in problem. But if PDP come, they will fry Oshomole like a chicken. We all know that. They will fry Oshomole like a chicken. If PDP come, if AAC win, I can negotiate that. Give up this for the poor. Bring this money. We will just let him go rest for Boston, or find a place to go and rest. I will do that. Oshomole did not know how to do all this. Obaseki taught him. But Oshomole is a fast learner. He's like me. He can learn very fast. A tailor is not educated though. A tailor. He learned very fast. So, when the former speaker, I don't want to inject him, he was a victim, refused to impeach Obaseki, Oshomole called Asoro, Abetu. What did I call him? Kabiru. He called Kabiru. He told them that now it is time to impeach the Speaker of the House. Asoro representing Orion. Ayokbaro na mienoma. He now joined them. They now impeach the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly. You can remember that fight when they were playing karate. I will show you people on Friday. That was Edo State House of Assembly. So, after Kabiru, the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Ajeburu, after he became the Speaker, Oshomole were patiently waiting. And the Deputy Governor, which I happens to like, was waiting for his chance. Because that one wouldn't have been a Deputy Governor. He wouldn't have become a Deputy Governor. The hope was that Obaseki would be impeached. You see how Edo State become political ring in Edo State becomes zigzag. So, when Obaseki gathered information, Obaseki started dismantling Oshomole boys, Tony Kabaka. Then Tony Kabaka now offer that he can kill more. Then the governor said, okay, go ahead and do it. Bad luck for him. He already smoked Igbo. I know where he smoked Igbo in GRO. Now he's in his house. He used to go to by deputy governor guest house there. That is where Tony Kabaka used to smoke Igbo. You know they eat cocaine. I know say they smoke marijuana Igbo. I will not lie on him. So Tony now came out and said, amigo, I will kill you. I will vampire you. I will suck you like a blood. They never thought that it's going to become this way. Tony thought he can finish the job. He could not. And Obaseki started hearing information that Tony is still under Oshomole. Oshomole make Tony what he is. Obaseki could not able to put Tony completely. The Obaseki said, if that is the case, let him build his own terrorists. Just like the way Osadion Sage was building when I told you people. Obaseki started building his own. As he dismantled Oshomole boss, Tony now cried to Oshomole, look, Obaseki have destroyed me. Oshomole now said, don't worry. Because Oshomole want to become the APC national chairman, Oshomole was waiting for Obaseki to use his weight to lift him up. But Obaseki, Oni, I'm coming to that one. That one cannot run. All the atrocity I've committed in Benin, supporting Obaseki, knowing fully where Obaseki was doing it, he think he can just hide and start selling land. And think me, mega company, after I gave him open invitation, he don't want to support the youth and think he will just hide. No, he assure well at them. You will come out, Wavoy, Obaseki, Ogbari Uvan Sakari, Oshomule, no, ya, Okinyavedo, where I mean. So, to shorten the whole story, Obaseki now have his group, Oshomole now have his group. They started doing it gradually. You know, Oshomole is a smart man. He's not educated, but he has what they call God wisdom. Oshomole have wisdom. You cannot say Oshomole. Oshomole is 200% smarter than Obaseki. Then Oshomole now play Maradona game with Obaseki. Obaseki spend money to make Oshomole APC national chairman with no contest. They pay every candidate that we're going to contest with Oshomole. Obaseki paid them with Edo State money, billions. After he paid them, Oshomole, according to the informant, Obaseki were now asking, how are we going to pay this money? Edo State, I can only manage Edo State for some certain time before we can get a loan. If Edo State people know there's no money now, it will be a problem. We cannot be able to pay nothing. Me, as a governor, what I want, I'm not getting everything. Iranomigo, Omangegbe here. Every little thing got Iranomigo will come out and blow it up. Mega company will come out and blow it up. And now, we are in problem. The loan you took, I found out it's now 38 billion instead of 18 billion. Where is all this money? Shomulena said, how dare you question me? You that I brought from the gutter. How dare you? Ushomule said, how dare you? Who questioned the emperor? The emperor. him, Obaseki, I make you. I will destroy you. At first, the very first confrontation was during the selection of commissioner. When Obaseki first, out of the 12 or 13 commissioner, whatever it is, Oshomole collected 10. Obaseki even begged him, but which one are we going to give a traditional ruler? Oshomole said he don't care. Oshomole said, sign it. Obaseki refused to sign. Obaseki now left with his authority. In all these 3 days, when Obaseki go back, go they kneel down, they beg Oshomole. Because 2 of them, they smoke cocaine together. Oshomole know his weak point. He begin to beg him. Oshomole can light up Obaseki 1 minute. Oshomole surround Obaseki with his boys. Obaseki cannot make pimp. Edo is in chain. Right now. It's in chain. Oshomole padlock it and put the key in the pocket. Me, I will speak the truth. Anything I hear, I will talk and come out. Because me, I want to join our father, Fils Edo land. All these things now, they will go wash her. They will wash her and go tell her. Oba I talk by it, they go wash the word. They don't go tell her the truth. But through this media, somebody will send it to him immediately if he's not watching live. He will send it in the night. He will sit down and watch it. You know that everything I've said, God have given me good mouth. Anything I said come true. I said, "Oh, no, you can't have my book, man." Somebody I say, "Man, what's your name? One I'm a poor making a movie." Says I say, "Ronnie, even if it tatters or no." So to short the whole story, brothers and sisters, do saga. Obaseki now said, he called all his cabinet. You can hear people were saying, even Obaseki own brother, that Obaseki invite from America to come to Nigeria. He's stranded in Nigeria. 1 penny. I'm telling you now, I will not lie on Obaseki. His own family is stranded in Nigeria. Oshomole, he not let Obaseki rest. 1 penny Oshomole go take her. 1 sisi Oshomole go take her. Obaseki can say, he don't do. Back and say, okay, as it can be now. Even when Obaseki not do local government chairman, they were collecting allocation, security vote allowance, like Orioma will get 160 million to pay workers and local government chairman, vice chairman, deputy. Obaseki were using all those money. Using those money to sustain themselves. You know, they have a habit. They live lavish life. They were using those money. They say Oshomole were the one when his boys were not complaining. We not get chairman, we not get this. Oshomole ran force Obaseki to appoint them. They just handpicked them. Oshomole brought some. You know what I'm saying? Edo State is finished. The same system is what Oshomole is taking to federal. And that system, who brought that system? Now Lucky Benedion. And Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu. Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu is the architect of this system. Oshomole can convert to become undetectable. With Obaseki's coming brain, they now reintroduce. That is how Osage Ize-Iyamu get lost. Osage Ize-Iyamu thought they were going to play his ball. But he was shocked that the football they were talking about is not a soccer. It was American football. When they now played the American football, Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu just lost. Osage Ize-Iyamu was winning at 4 p.m. I was in the field. Every word we were calling him, we were all happy. 8 p.m. Osage Ize-Iyamu were still winning. As Oshomole here and say for this time, now Oshomole hit American football. Not be na soccer one at the watch. He played that game, dengue. He dengue Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu enter house. Till today, they give her money. Osage Ize-Iyamu never come out one day say they give her money. Osage Ize-Iyamu, before he will even contest, he should go and take cola. We not do video ni yokoriomo. Do in amari one. I don't hear and tete. They buy and say make it your live matter. We not will worry you. If you don't live matter, now jail you go die put. Now you're quiet. Even at the time they were calling him Chief Danobe, ADC, personal assistant PA.
Can you imagine? A former gubernatorial candidate now become a PA. That is how disgraceful, the humiliating. Okay, let's go to Abetu. Abetu Kabiru, Ajetu, whatever they call it, Abetu Kabiru. Abetu Kabiru. So, Oshomole called him and said, look, it is time to impeach Oshomole. Kabiru now said, give us time, we will do it. But Kabiru, we are not able, because they don't have enough money to buy the whole cabinet, the whole House of Assembly member. Kabiru were swimming in a crocodile swamp, crocodile alley. So, Kabiru, Edo State Speaker of House of Assembly, now saw the heat was too much. He went ahead, he said, Oshomole, I beg. He want go represent federal. The problem in Edo State, he not go meet her. Money not day. When Edo people will know what they happen, no be only Osusu Mayo or Monoba go bring come out. Even our palace, they go pack everything when they get. They lake us. Because the problem that is coming to Edo State that they know, we don't know. They said it's unbearable. Even federal self. Police go for everywhere. Many people go jail when you follow them share the money. Kabiru wanted to run. Now Oshomole tell him, say, you want APC ticket for Federal House of Representative? He say yes. Have you passed your primary one? He said no, sir. It's okay. If you did not pass primary one, how can I promote you to primary two? That is exactly quote Oshomole used. Abetu Kabiru now said he tried. He said you tried. So go back and rewrite your exam. After you pass, they come back and tell me. Kabiru now went back. Then, before you know it, nobody. Obaseki don't cut some of the people because Obaseki still learn from Oshomole. They're not going to complain to impeach Obaseki. The money, the little money that is left in there, that the loan they are continue to collect 1 million, 10 million, 200 million. Obaseki just share them. Now those people, now they revolt. You see Asoro the way they behave now. Dollars. Asoro get dollars in it. He's the majority leader. Asoro begin the beat right, they beat left. Asoro can't dey Obaseki side. Now Oshomole say, so now betrayed me. Now Asoro say he not betrayed you. He go come back if Abetu Kabiru do am, he go support him. Asoro your would now Oshomole say, okay, you will support. He say yes. Now say fine, we go allow you get the ticket. That is how Asoro get the ticket. The ticket of the Speaker of the House. Have you ever seen a Speaker of a House who cannot pass primary? It's only Kabiru. Only Kabiru. Edo people, wanna listen you. A speaker, current Speaker of the House, could not get a ticket of his own party. Imagine that. Oshomole said, okay, you people should go and conduct the primary. Obaseki, if he try that nonsense, he go kill him. He go tell him, say, na him be Oshomole. Now Obaseki go and raging people. Bah. As Oshomole hear and say, Obaseki don't take people feel him. Now Oshomole declare war. Say, Obaseki, make I tell you. You see that bishop when he go sue me for court. Now you the expo them. All the money when me with you steal. Why you gave them one information? Obaseki said, you know, give them. Now Oshomole say, make it shut up. Obaseki beg. Oshomole, you know Oshomole. You know as he small, you know they forgive. The same thing Obaseki be. Obaseki beg, no way. Oshomole tell and say, see what you go do, Obaseki come say, you know go feed you all this thing. Okay, if you not do, you go leave governor. Obaseki even begging now to even survive the remaining years. Obaseki is begging to just live there in peace. He don't want to live in pieces. Obaseki is just there. It's a what they call a counterfeit governor. Oshomole is the executive governor of Edo State. Obaseki na just camouflage. Then Oshomole now say, "Oh, now I know why you were bringing Yoruba, bringing people from Delta. So you were trying to chase my people away to fill it out because Obaseki did not trust anybody in Edo land. He was not giving the job to Yoruba, to Deltas. You know, I hear when Mofi, they talk say Edo job they don't collect and finish. It was true. Person said the truth. It was true. Obaseki was trying to build his own Lagos link. Now Shomole say, your time is off. As Oshomole declare war, he don't arrange and then remove Obaseki. Like Kabiru no say he don't finish. He gave the ticket to, I don't want to mention people's name that are not involved in this. He gave the ticket to someone else. As I'm talking now, 2019, Kabiru don't have a job. He's begging to even start washing Oshomole toilet. Edo is finished. So all those projects, san gelegele san in a paper, picture. There is no one contract. There's no one project Obaseki have finished. The only one Oshomole left, they will gather money from the rest. They will use it to do this one. They will see show one for TV. Edo people that said, I might get Obaseki, I don't let Obaseki read. When I see now, no be day before yesterday, and they go gather for Oshomole Yaromo. They gather, they Kabiru, nothing we never do. In Papa don't call Oshomole. Oshomole and I don't go Fulani, he don't go see jazz when strong pass the Kabiru father home. Oshomole don't dog with Obuari. They don't go do juju tire. For no, you know how some people juju eh? Fulani juju, he strong pass many people know. So Kabiru father and I not confident do anything. So there's no hope in Edo State. So even Obaseki even lied on ENA. He said he was in Canada. He told his caucus, his executive, he said he was well received in Edo Convention in Canada. They are in support of him. If you people can just allow me 2 years, then there's something he will do. But he didn't tell them what he's going to do. But the inner caucus have told me that the World Bank have told them they can be able to cook another book to get a loan. Then within that 2 years, they will start doing patch. They will start trying to do road fake. They will do one like, instead of 10 inches, they'll do 1 inches. Before election, go just find. They'll say, Obaseki is working. Obaseki is working. Obaseki is working. You know, Edo people, a lot of them, not be all of them, a lot of them mumu die. They mumu die. As society, they watch them. That is how Obaseki watch them. So, that is the situation in Edo State. That is the situation in Edo State. So, anybody as Abba can say, we don't gas. That boy, he's smart, That Abba. As he sees we don't gas, they get the feeling. Tony Kabaka no know where he want go again. Whether he go follow Oshomole, that is why they be one con hijack AAC with Tosajon. Then they be one hijack AAC, make sure say na Buhari enter power. They go take AAC collect money. They go collect money. They were thinking Sowore have money. Kabaka were looking for somewhere he can get money. All the boys, they don't almost live and finish. Even not being be the leader of the Akugbe venture no more. He will tell he be once ago. Now Oshomole, if person when go the what is affecting my internet? Please, you all should leave my internet alone. Someone that went to go and destroy his own uncle store, but Bizwa store, Kabaka destroy everything. How God not go destroy you? But Bizwa, that one just mind his own business. Tony destroy everywhere. He begin to destroy market women. So, Edo people, let me tell you. Somebody called me and said, since you started fighting for xenophobia, God have ordained you. Whatever you say come out. You are a prophet. Anything you say, you rain calamity on people, calamity will follow them. It doesn't take less than a year it will happen. Even the Moshomu Leona, less than 2 years it happen. Say, why do you want the people to take your power God have given you to you? Continue to rain calamity on them. Aka se ru onu ni. Onu mo po gbe bo ni gele gbe. Wa na ko ni ma mi we. O sa bo ari etinu. Aka se ogwera no migo. O hagi magwa vedo. Wese na ko ba dole do yi. Wese la wo wi me e la wa maro yeke. So that is the situation in Edo State. That is the situation. Edo people. You people are busy fighting on social media. Edo State is going down. Obaseki and Oshomole have completely. Have you ever seen me talk like this? Have destroyed Edo State. Tony Kabaka have killed. Even boys have run away. I know we are here. No, but Tony Kabaka must be needed. They say, where is her now? Nera anede gbetiamu. E wana wizo mekpopo. E wani magukwa no wigumegwa. Ni makasunu yeni ona asunu yeni me no ho. Idin uwe ayare lu wadi. Era anede gbe omo gbagbo wawe. Really tired o kan aye. Ebo ni ikogba o nwara yuwa o. Okwa no yuwa gbagmo yuwa bo. Tell you why? Ba mi ni na ya ko ba dole do yi. Ibe ka no fi pege gwa. Iwo bowo ona aga eri eta we nukpo, eri eta enekpe ya. Ya to we to. Uta nukpo ta we nekpe o ta we no do ta we no. O fi pege gwa no fi pege gwa ne. We na we aga we wa we tie bo me. Ya you why? Wa fi pege gwa ne. Egwa no wa fi pege. Egwa can forgive you one. Ema ilaja wa ayi egwa wana ayi egwa wa emi wote to there wa emi wote to there no rene kuna gbeluwa wa ni boyeku belu wa boyeku gbeve gbe sajon sage ne ku ana gbeluwa no ko ba nwana yuwa won no ri la social media no ya boyeku ye me so re gwa na eti egwa ogbuwa gbeluwa mo oba na ya we social media no Wanoga agwera no migo ti oba atokpe ye wo lele diaspora watchdog era atokpe o mala igbonugbe onu ihuwa yegun aye matara obekele oseban iladian itabi lo waye im evidence dan the way neso na waro uru ihon we afipe gi me wieke ami eten go agbo eniyan owo kan esupe owewe wa gbe kan no gbe kan polu gbe kan me we hon ma bere every blessing dey yana mo gbogbo na ata ìrìnà ne ogo na ri igo no we obe family blessing will return oni e na sin gbe no we de gbo obo de ni ogbo bo ne ni we michael we kuri wana hin fo wana gba na ona iro wo bo yen se no paro woro na yin se ono na ri ibori ro wa yan mi go yari wa awe ra me bi ye mi ni ro wa abo bi pape ra obo hon mi la obo ni gele ni gbe ni go ba dole de yan mi go wa kin obo social media wa la ra mi ri opo ba we ni afiku re la ja ni aju wa fen wa ga gele tono bo wa le no bo wa ma tono bo wa ma le no bo u wa ri yo ame ya gba we e wa no gele we pape ra we we na gbe we gun Wo no he na gbebeku. Wa na wa la na opoki awe yo borege. Wa ni bu gbe panty wi po bobo iton obo ile no bo. Wa ni bu wa gbe panty. 1984, 85, or maybe between 1985 to 1989. Minus that years, minus 20 years or 19 years out of your age. And tell me the balance. Why la social media don't know ya me ya o make lo boye. Ya you we are here why be na ran with waria den wa gwale kini ana do pakpe randa mu no wa. Pakpe na nese. One away PFN card in winner. Winner. Why you bona why is ever mola? It give you a less than 3 days. No ya imia. While la the social media we and wa we ran me. Kelele honi. Etove de ba no pa ya ro bi me very. I Mario Carina block e ma. You block e ma etala dian de. E maybe me no ya you me hwe. E ya pa. Yana pa yana alelu me yana ha me akiru me na akiru wari. E bi aro bi me block e ma. I block her. I block him and I block her. So that is on that one. Ya isu wa ne. Nigi wa fe ko do ma oni yare yo because of wa no bana wa akpere yo. Wa akpere yo. Era no migo, no era no migo so wa gbe. Era no migo no gbeluwa. Anybody no we swing me no hone oho bai. Igba we no reagmo. So brothers and sisters, I see you on Wednesday. What is going to happen? It's late now. I want to thank you, those that stay up to this time. What I want to tell you people, I have a lot here, but I don't want to. You all need to support Comrade Omoyele Sowore, including my brother in Hungary. You people should tell him he need to come out and support Omoyele Sowore. Everybody need to come out. Look at what they sent to me today. Let me quickly show this to people. 1 minute. If God said you are number one, you will continue to remain number one in Jesus' mighty name. You can see this right here. This is the party symbol. This is how the vote is going to be conducted. You see it? You can see it right there. You can see it. One thing we notice that Omoyele Sowore AAC is number one. All we have to tell people, vote number one. Vote number one. The first symbol. Put your symbol in it. Just put your fingerprint, including APC, AAC. We will tell all of them. Vote number one. That's all we have to tell them. You people will see the miracle. You people will see the miracle. What is going to happen? Sowore will be the next president of Federal Republic of Nigeria. Mark my word. Nobody can change it. His destiny will never be changed by anybody. May the Lord Almighty bless you. For the information, the AAC Texas fundraising dinner party date conflicted with the London fundraising dinner party. So Texas dinner party have been moved to December 7th. I repeat, let me confirm the date. December 7th. On Friday, December 7th. The date have been moved. So it give us more time to arrange, to sell our ticket, and to do a lot of things. So the date, I repeat, the date have been moved December 7th. I want to be sure of it. Yes, December 7th. It's not the new date. So God bless everyone. I'm about to go to the meeting, and I've not even rest since morning. Anyone that will turn me to Amunataba, I want to play this music for Edo people to know how someone can suffer for what they didn't know. It's a problem to the whole Edo people. Osagion Osage is the first civilian that want to collect our women money and give the government. That is why it's a problem. Osagion Osage is the biggest scammer all time. Osagion Osage continue to lie on me. Everything I've said about Osagion Osage, me I will go to Oba Palace to go and take cola. Let Osagion Osage come and let it go and take cola. A buyer payment on Sonia. Now cost. Now we know who they talk through. Let Osagion Osage, let her mother follow him to go and chop cola. Or not say no be where are we? They will sakame. Ira. Me are your phone. I have never one day pick up a phone and call Canadian immigration. I'm being honest, but I don't want to do it. If I do it, I have never put anybody. If Osagion push me, I will pick up a phone. I will do it by myself. I will do it. I will do it by myself. I say, okay, let me see. Rudendo. This boy continue to constitute nuisance. Ojoba yewo. Are London, Ugbedo for Ugbe, Europe, Nika for London, over here now. Very soon I go come out again. Edo American Idol. I am your panel boy, you Mila, you when I'm getting winner. What do you when I'm getting winner? This boy don't want to walk. He don't want to walk. I don't say he don't want to walk. Why become I no young winner? Why am I? American Idol, Eternal Edo show, Edo pageant, Edo hospital. What about the money they give you for hospital? When you want, you don't build that. Very soon I will start asking you the money. Yeah, you have my 50,000. You should come and bring the receipt of the lawyer you take for Curtis Egosa Ugbo, or you return my money with interest. I'm at the Gaza, Osagion Osage is owing me 50,000 naira. I gave him that money to take a lawyer. Curtis Egosa Ugbo said I did not do anything for him. So Osagion Osage should return my money with interest. Simple. I need that 50,000. My grandmother is sick right now. I need money. Osagion family, God send family, return my money. Return my money. I gave that money for Curtis Egosa Ugbo to take a lawyer. I gave Osagion Osage, so-called Ambassador Dion Osage, a criminal. I gave him the 50,000. Curtis Egosa Ugbo said I did not do anything. He didn't take lawyer, so he should return the money. It's for lawyer with interest. That is it. Yeah, you why we do? Why are Bamoge? Where Ranomigo or Ruswim and all fit by the men Ranomigo, men, Wayamu, Baba, what talk bay? Wayamu, where Amigo, Bua, a lock away where or what if you Vagario. No Chloe, why really they buy? Why clock the way go you wag by you? Nonsense. Sajos, I go here terroristic baram with you, Chobayo. Wait back. Where you are winner, where Osage farm, God send farm. Oh, Yokba. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Only him. Everywhere. God send this, God send that, God send this, God send that. Walk back, Mona. Ujoba Yewo. Can you imagine? If you do walao, wakamae, no you go megume. Watama no rigo megume. Omaya kotisugbo we mama mi uni. He should return it with interest. Or his mother should come here, ask me how much interest I want on it. Because he said, I told him to use it to take a lawyer and he didn't. So hence you didn't take the lawyer. You give me my money back. That is the fact. So please, whoever is sending me message about this guy, tell him he need to come out now and support Comrade Omoyele Sowore. Anything short of Comrade Omoyele Sowore and support anybody, we will never work together. Me, I like people that can come out and speak the truth, but I'm angry. Where was him since? But I know people keep sending it to me. They want me to talk about him. I'll give him encouragement. I applaud him. So I will talk about him. So people should go and tell him, whoever, the guy in Hungary, I don't even know his name, tell him to support Comrade Omoyele Sowore. So that is the fact. He has to support him. Everybody have to. How can you say you are fighting corruption or you are exposing corruption? Omoyele Sowore has been doing it before you even left Nigeria, and you are not supporting Comrade Omoyele Sowore. Does that make sense to people? No. Let's call it spade a spade. We have to be honest to ourselves. That is the truth. That is 100% the truth. We cannot hide away from the truth. Thank you. Good night. Sagi, ọba mo oge, parabari ọbi ọtún ẹ bushra. Wàá mi bẹ la kpovi oye, wàá mi yú ẹ, wàá mi bẹ tó ayọ, wàá mi kò sẹ́ni yú ẹ, wàá mi ọ̀sán àjẹ. Wàá mi yú ẹ, wàá mi kẹnu wà pé wàá wọ́n wò ká ní àgùnmẹ̀ mọ́ alẹ́, yà á sẹ yọ, ń wọ́ọ̀dì, ń wọ́ ẹ, ń wà á wò, wàá mi wí ní fẹ́. Gbọ́dọ̀ mú kíá ni àbá ètò ìṣirò ọrùn wẹ̀ yìí bí ẹ̀nà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà yàn èrí wàá rí ẹ̀ fi ọ ọrùn wẹ̀ yìí. ọrùn wẹ̀ yìí. I protect myself 24 hours. I'm not going to allow these small boys. Nonsense. Bad leaders, Nigerian bad leaders. They continue to destroy you people. You people don't want to learn. Television, the microphone has it. I mean, load up. They loaded up my life.
The Uribes are part of the...
Can you imagine? Another boy, you know, it also I don't fear boy, you know, and I asked when remember if man of football get go. We didn't have a bow, so I don't hear boy, you know. Serena, God bless you. I love you. Share this video. May the Lord Almighty.
Buy for Baba. Popularity. Why you didn't ask for one? In a map, fire power. Fasting. We're not all